Okay, this video, right, is for those who are into network marketing. If you're doing network marketing, or if you're doing multi-level, or if you're doing real estate agents, right, I want to advise you something. Okay, I've been doing network marketing for more than 12 over years, and I never use my direct sales company to represent me. I created my own brand. Okay, so think about it. Okay, think about this. Okay, I want you to read this book from if you want the link, right, I'll send you the link later. So basically this book is from Trashman to Cashman. It's from Myron Golden. He used to do network marketing and I used to do network marketing. Okay, I've been doing network marketing for 12 years and this is what I've learned. Okay, I never use the company name that I'm working with, right, as my company name, because you're not allowed to, right, because you're the independent contractor. So create your own brand name. So, and then, right, if you think about it, right, like all the things that you created and then you send the customers, right, yes, they will initially order from you, but do you know that the company that you work with, right, can also terminate you if something happened, or maybe they do something stupid, like they change the compensation plan, or they decided to withdraw from the country, you know, and you are like no longer having this business. And that's what happened to me, right? So the last 8 months in my business, in this company that I work with, right, they never have any stocks, okay, for us to sell. So in the end, I have nothing to sell. But luckily, I've already prepared myself 3 years ago. I started TikTok, right, and I sell TikTok shop stuff in October 2022. Right, so I've been selling other brands as well. So, you know, I just want to tell you that you must take note of this. Like, never use the company name that you're working with as your brand name, right? Create your own brand name, which I did, right? And then so a lot of companies that want to work with me directly know my company name. Okay, it's not the brand that I work with, you know, they are my vendors. Okay, I created another company name, which is my own brand name, and I'm able to, you know, sell anything that I wanted. And then my customers know only me. They never even know the company that I work with. All right, so what is your life becoming? So this book, right, is from Trashman to Cashman by Myron Golden. I love his book. Okay, I'll send you the link if you guys are interested to get it. So what is your life becoming? Is it becoming a daring adventure, or is it becoming nothing at all? If you feel your life is nothing at all, it doesn't have to stay that way. Your life can be more exciting than an action adventure movie. Back when I was driving that trash truck during the day, I was reading books in the evening, like How to Master the Art of Selling Anything, The Greatest Salesman of the World, which I read this is by Og Mandino, if I'm not wrong. So I read a lot of books. My brain, right, is like Google like that. So anybody who talk to me, right, I'm like anything I can talk to. So, you know, if you want to be a salesperson, you need to feed yourself with a lot of books, right? So I have read The Greatest Salesman of the World, but the University of Success Unlimited and the How to Master the Art of Selling Anything, I have not read it yet. So, you know, a lot of times, right, a lot of my girls who are under me was like, you know, they were asking me like, how do I sell so well? I have been the top sales, right, for Singapore and Malaysia for 2012, 2013, and 2014. Okay, I have the records to show it to you. Okay, so basically, right, how do I sell the skincare and makeup to my customers, right? And I'm able to, you know, on average, right, each of them may spend about $400-500 on me. And back then when I served the girls from the Holland Club, right, they were buying like $700 per person, right? So most of them, right, you know, wanted my skin. Okay, so to be frank, I've never done any aesthetic stuff, right? Only after I left the company that I'm with. Okay, so I started only doing aesthetic stuff last year. Okay, so just want to let you know, my skin is very glassy, okay, because of the products that I use. Okay, it's very good. I must admit that the company that I'm working with, they have top-notch skincare technology, right? And among the brands that I work with, right, because I used to be from Estee Lauder, I used to be from La Mer and Bobbi Brown, so they didn't give me that kind of skin. Okay, and I realized that my skin reacts well with retinol. So a lot of my clients, right, some of them are having eczema, all these things, I'm able to help them to solve the problem to using retinol as well. So the key thing is, right, you must learn how to sell, you must learn how to listen to your clients, you must learn how to basically hear them out, what's their, you know, the things, the results that they wanted. So whenever I market the things on my TikTok, right, in that beauty channel, if you realize, I master the You know, whenever I market something, whenever I do videos, it's all about the results of what they wanted. So they want smaller pores, they want glass skin. So to be frank, right, if they see your skin and it's not reflected that, you know, they would not be convinced as well. So you need to be like top notch, like really having this discipline to really take good care of your skin, and also having the discipline to listen what your customer wants, right, and give them the results. And that's how I achieved to becoming the top sales across Singapore and Malaysia for this company, right? And but the last 8 months they have no stocks to sell, so I was forced to resign in a sense, right? But I think this is part of God's path for me to, you know, like move on to another level. And I've been doing a lot of like social media management for companies, and I've closed like $15,000 worth of social media projects so far, and I've been invited to other countries to teach about video marketing. So that's what the exposure of social media gave me. So I have about like 3,960 followers on YouTube. I have about like 8,000 plus followers on LinkedIn. I have about like 4,005 followers on Facebook, and I have about like 51,000 followers on TikTok. So I have a very close-knit community, right? So most of them are quite busy, but the followers that I have, right, are quite how should I say, they have the budget, you know, to spend the things that, you know, my retinol is about $235, right? And I'm able to sell all the time. So some of you may be thinking like, oh, you know, your retinol is so expensive, you know, but you know, the type of customers that I attracted have no qualms spending it, because the results that they wanted exceeds how much they want to spend. So, you know, if your products are really, really very good, I would advise you to really take care of your skin, right, and show the results, right? And if you find that you have hard time to sell your products, right, you may want to DM me for more information to teach you how to sell. I also do a lot of sales coaching for cosmetics and skincare, right? I'll teach you how to sell on your video marketing as well. So if you want to know more about what I do, follow me for more, and also DM me for more information about my services to teach you guys on how to sell skincare. Oh, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye!